Now let us have question number 4, that is expand each of the following using suitable identities. Our first question, our fourth one is x plus 2y plus 4z. You all might be knowing in the previous class I gave you 10 formulas of this. Okay, 10 formulas of polynomials. You have to learn by heart all those things to solve these questions. Okay, so now seeing this, you can understand there was one identity. What was that? A plus B plus C whole square equals to this identity you have to use. Okay, so what was the formula? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Okay, so on comparing with this, you can write using identity this one. Now compare it with this, what you'll get? Here, what? A equals to what? X, B is equals to what? 2y, and C equals to what? 4z. Then put in the same place, that is x plus 2y plus 4z whole square equals to, now a square means what? X square plus 2y whole square, that is b square, plus c square means 4z whole square plus 2 into, now what is a? That is x. What is b? Into 2y. Okay, then plus, then what is the next? That is 2 into 2y into 4z. Okay, and then plus you can write 2 into 2y into 4z. Okay, and which is equals to, now x whole square will be x square plus 2 square is 4 y square plus 4 square is 16 z square plus, everywhere plus is there, so plus sign will come. So 2 into 2 will be 4 xy. Again here also you can see all the plus signs. So plus 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16 yz, plus again positive signs you can see. So 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16 yz. So this will be the answer. Okay, same way the second one. What is the, now let us begin our second question. Second question is 2x minus y plus z. Same formula, a plus b plus c. So you can write using identity a plus b plus c whole square, that is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, this identity we are going to use here. So when comparing what? On comparing these two, we know that a equals to what? 2x, and b equals to minus y, and c equals to what? Z. Now putting in the same values of a, b, c here in this. So what you'll get? 2x minus y plus z whole square equals to, now what is that? A square, that is 2x whole square plus, what is b? Minus y, so minus y whole square plus, what is z? C is z, so z square plus 2 into, what is a? That is 2x into minus y, because b is minus y, then plus 2 into, what is b? Minus y, then c is what? Z, so into z. Okay, then what is the sign? Plus, then what is it? 2 into c is what? Z into, this is z. Okay, and then what is a? That is 2 now see, on simplification 2 square is how much? 4. X square, x into x whole square will be x square. Then here minus y into minus y, because square is there. So minus into minus will be plus, so it will be plus, and then y square plus z square. Now you can see here plus, but here minus. So plus into minus will be minus 2 to the 4, then x, y. Then here also you can see minus is there, so plus into minus will be minus. Then only one constant is there, that is 2, so 2. Y into z will be yz. Then again you can see here all the positive terms are there, plus plus plus, so plus sign. 2 to the 4 z x. Answer. Understood? Now third question is same like this one. So you can do as third question as homework. Okay, third question, do it as homework. Okay, let us move to fourth question. 4a minus 7b minus c whole square. So here also you can write using identity. Which one? Same. A plus b plus c whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now on comparison with this, a is what? 3a, b is what? 7b, and c is what? Minus c. Now put the values here in this formula identity. Now what is it? 3a minus 7b minus c whole square equals to 3a square plus minus 7b whole square plus minus c whole square plus 2 into what is a? 3a into minus 7b, then plus 2 into minus 7b into minus c, and then plus 2 into what is c? Minus c into what is a? 3a. So 3a. Okay. So now simplify, that is 3 square will be how much? 9. A square. Then minus into minus, because square is there. Same terms 2 times will be multiplied. So minus into minus will be plus. 7 square is 49. B square. Then plus, because here minus square again. So it will be minus into minus plus. Then c square. Here you can see plus into minus. Will be minus 3 to the 6. 6, 7 is 42. Maybe. Same way here, plus, minus and minus. So minus into minus will be plus. So 7 to the 14. So 14 BC. And then same way here, plus into minus. Minus into plus will be minus. So constant terms 2 into 3 will be 6. C 8. So this is the answer. Okay. Same way you can go for fifth question, you can solve, that is same like fourth question. So homework will be your again fifth question. This also solve it of your own. Okay. Now we will have sixth question. That is 1 by 4 a minus 1 upon 2 then b plus 1 whole square. So using identity, same identity we will have to use everywhere now in this question. Okay, that is a plus b plus c whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. Okay, so now on comparison with this, what you will get? A value is 1 upon 4. A. B is how much? Minus 1 upon 2. Then B. And C is how much? 1. Now putting this in the above identity, what you will get? 1 upon 4a minus 1 upon 2b plus 1 whole square equals to, what is a? 1 upon 4, then a whole square plus minus of 1 upon 2 b whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into 1 upon 4a into minus 1 upon 2 b, then plus 2 into minus 1 upon 2b into 1 plus 2 into 1, because what is c? 1 into 1 upon 4. Okay. Now on simplification of this, what? 1 square will be 1 and 4 square will be how much? 16 a square. Then here minus is there and square means 2 times. So it will be plus. Minus into minus will be plus. 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4 b square plus 1 square is 1. Then plus, you can see here 1 and here 2 are cancelled. Then here sign you see first, plus into plus plus, plus into minus will be minus. Then here 2 is cancelled off. What will be left out? That is 1 upon 4. Then a into b. Okay. Same way you can see here numerator 2, denominator 2. So it will be cut down, cancelled off. So now plus into minus will be how much? Minus. Then b only is there because into 1 will be same value. Then again here also you can see numerator 2, denominator 4. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 2 2s are 4. So 2. So you can see here now numerator is what? A. What is the sign? Plus into plus will be plus. A, that is 1 upon 2 a. Okay. So this will be the answer. Okay. Now let us move to the next question, that is question number 5. This is also factorized one. So what is the first one? First question is 4x square plus 9y square plus 16c square plus 12z square. This is z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16zx. Right? Likewise, it is given. So now what you will do? Here you know that it is a perfect square of 2. So 2 square means just the reverse of this identity. Okay. So what? You can see here plus 9 is a perfect square of 3. So 3y whole square. But one thing you can notice, here you can see there is minus sign. Okay. So here y is there. Which term is common in both these terms? You can see here y and z. Here term is z and x. So which term is common? Z you can see. That means z value may be negative. That is why we got negative sign here. Understood, children? So that's why this one is plus and then minus of, 16 is a perfect square of 4. So minus 4z whole square. Here, because the sign is here negative. Negative means on multiplication with positive and negative, you will get negative value. Okay. And you have to see which term is. Here it is positive. Means x and y value is positive. But here you can see negative sign is there. So that's why either y or z value must be negative. So here also negative is there, means there is a term which is common in these two that you have to find. So z is common. So that means z value may be negative. That is why we got what? Negative values. So z is negative. Okay. Then plus 2 into what is x? 2x. Then into 3y. So on multiplication, are you getting 12 or not? Check it out. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Got 12 value. That means this is correct. Now plus, same way. Why we are doing this? Because it is in the form of this identity. You can see a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Understood? So that's why now into 2 into what is next value is 2ab, then plus 2bc. Now what is b? That is 3y. And then what is c? Minus 4z. Now check it out on multiplication. Are you getting 24 minus 24 or not? 2 to the first is plus into plus sign. Then again plus into minus will be minus. So sign is correct. Now 2 3s are 6. 6 4s are 24. Got it? Y and z. Clear now children? Understood? Now after that again plus sign 2 into what is z? Z is again minus 4z. And what is x? X is what? 2x. So right here 2x. Now again multiply and see. Plus into minus will be minus. Minus into plus will be minus. So got minus value. Now 2 4s are 8. 8 2s are 16. So 16 is there. Zx. Clear? So now you can write using identity. Which one? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca equals to what? A plus b plus c whole square. Right? So now this is given. So we have to get what? This one. So equals to what is in a place? That is 2x. What is in b place? That is 3y. Then what is in c place? That is minus 4z. This one's square. Now open this one. That is 2x plus 3y. Plus into minus will be minus 4z whole square. So this is the answer. Okay? Or factorize means 2 times the same thing you write down. Either this or you can write what? 2x plus 3y minus 4z into 2x plus 3y minus 4z. Either way you can write because whole square. Clear? Same way now the next one is what? That is 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy, then plus 4 root 2 yz, and then minus 8 xz or zx. So this xz can be written as xz or zx, like I have written. There is no matter because both are in multiplied form. Okay. So now same way you have to go for this. Now see, 2 is there. Whose school? You know that 2 is not a perfect square. Right? But if I write root 2, so root 2 square will be what? 2 you know. So I can write likewise. Then x whole square. Is it clear children? After that, what is the next value? That is y. Here you can see, rest. Here first value is minus. Here last value is minus. Means in between these two terms you see which is common. You can see what is common here. X is common. Right? That means x value might be negative. That is why I got negative value. Clear children? Understood? So that means I will write here minus sign. Understood why we are applying here minus? First you have to see where minus sign is there, and that particular, both the terms you have to see which particular variable is common. That variable is negative. Clear? So here you can see both the cases what? X is common, so x is negative. After that y means only y square, because here no constant terms are there, coefficient is not there for y square. Now after that z. Z beside that coefficient you can see what? Z square coefficient is 8. So 8 is, you know that 8 is not a perfect square, right? So you can write this 8 as 2 root 2 because 2 square is 4 and root 2 square will be 2. So 4 into 2 will be how much? 8. So we got 8. Clear now? Z. Clear? After that, plus sign, then 2 into what is x? What is x? Minus root 2 x. Then what is y? Only y. So on multiplication, are you getting same or not? See, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus will be minus. Now 2 into root 2 will be 2 root 2. Clear? And xy, same way plus. Now 2 into b is what? Y. And then z because 2 bc. So b is y and c is what? 2 root 2 z. Clear? Now on multiplication, check whether we are getting the same or not. 2 2s are 4. So 4 root 2 yz plus sign. Clear? After that, plus. Now 2 into CA or AC. So that is A is how much? That is minus root 2 x into what is C? That is Z value. You can see here. That is 2 root 2 Z. Clear? Now on multiplication, check it out. Plus into minus. Minus into plus will be minus. Now 2 into 2, 4 and root 2 into root 2 means 2. You know that root 2 square is 2 only. So 2 2s are 4. 4 into 2, 8. So 8 got. Clear? Now this is, you can write again using identity what? Using identity, just reverse of question number 4. Identity a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca equals to a plus b plus c whole square identity. Clear? So now what is a? You can see on comparison with this, what is a? That is root 2 x. What is b? That is y. And what is c? 2 root 2 z whole square. So this is the answer. Okay, clear, understood? Now, based on this, some questions after the completion I will give you. Okay, these are the questions, extra questions, do it as homework. Yes, so after this, 2 extra questions I am giving you. These 2 questions, solve it in your copy as homework. Okay, expand 2a minus b plus c whole square. That is, you have to use a plus b plus c whole square formula. Okay, and then factorize this. Factorize this means you have to use identity what? Just now we have done in question number 5. That is a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus 2ab minus 2ab or plus. So it will be plus. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Using that equals to what? Which formula it is? A plus b plus c whole square. So likewise you have to factorize this. Understood? Just now we have done in question number 5. Okay? Do it as 4. Again the cubes one. In that first one, what is that? 6th question is write the following cubes in expanded form. First question is 2x plus 1 whole cube. Okay, formulas. Yesterday in the previous video I gave you 10 questions, 10 formulas. Okay, those formulas you have to by heart. Okay, so this is in the form of a using identity, right? Using identity, which one? A plus b whole cube, that is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Remember this? Okay. Now this identity we will use here. On comparing this with this, what? A value is what? 2x and b value is what? 1. Same way put it there. That is 2x plus 1 whole cube equals to, now what is a cube? So 2x whole cube plus what is b, that is 1 cube plus 3 into what is a, 2x into what is b, 1 within bracket, a is 2x plus 1. Again, what is the formula of the 2 cube is how much? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, x cube plus 1 cube is 1 only plus 3 2s are 6x, 2x plus 1. Now 8 x cube plus 1 plus this multiply plus into plus 6 into 2, 6 2s are 12, x square, x into x will be x square. Now plus into plus then 6x. So you can put it in increasing order of the degree. Okay, that means higher order first, then the next order decreasing order you will write, that is x cube plus 12 x square plus 6x plus 1. This will be the answer. That means in the degrees you have to see the degree, and according to your higher order degree first you will put, then the next less, likewise. Means decreasing order you will follow in the degrees. Okay, so next one you can do in the same way. Okay, that is question is, second one is 2a minus 3b whole cube. So this formula also you know, that is identity you will use. Using identity only, I am giving you the hint. You have to put the values and get the answer. Okay, a minus b whole cube formula equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab within bracket a minus b. Put in this, and here you can write on comparing this, a equals to how much, 2a, and b equals to how much, 3b. Now put the values here and you will get the answer. I think further you can solve. So do it yourself by putting values. Okay, do it. Then third one you can see 3 upon 2 x plus 1 whole cube. Same formula like first one you can follow, same, using identity a plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, so here you can see on comparing what, a equals to what, 3 upon 2 x and b equals to 1. Now put these values here. Okay, so that is 3 upon 2x plus 1 whole cube will be how much? Put the values and get the answer. Okay, I am just putting the values, you solve it and get the answers. Okay, so now a value is 3 upon 2 into x and b is 1, and then a is again 3 upon 2x and plus 1. So now multiplication you all know, so you can simplify this. Okay, now do it.